Mike Payne. I'm a dairy veterinarian with the Western Institute for Food Safety and Security, which is a multi-center, multi-department collaboration with at UCD. It includes both the animal and the plant side. We have partners. I'm actually have an appointment with the School of Veterinary Medicine. And the way I got involved with this was I got a call from a dairy producer who said, you know, I don't want to get entangled in any outbreaks that have to do with E. coli or other animal pathogens. And so what are the best management practices that I can apply? And I looked around and I said, well, about a decade and a half ago, we produced this glossy trifold that's inside your binder that talks about preventing manure from leaving your place and potentially getting applied to fresh produce. But that's a decade and a half old. So I started looking around and calling everybody I could. And a lot of the speakers that you're going to hear today are the people that I called and said, what are the best management practices? And there was a lot of good information, but it certainly wasn't easy to find and it wasn't consolidated. And at that point, we got hooked up with CDFA, and that brought us here. So today, I'm one of the organizers, Michelle, and you're going to hear from her a little bit later on. A lot of the people that I talk to, you'll be hearing from and about both the science, and then we also have we have regulators here, and mostly you're going to be also hearing from the livestock producers and fresh produce operators, and so you'll have a chance to go and exchange information and better learn about what sort of regulations already exist.